Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Portia, and if you have not been here before, thank you for being here, and if you are coming back, thank you for being back.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you.
So remember, this month, the entire month of October, I will be holding a giveaway. The winners will be announced on October 31st. There will be 2 winners. Okay. So my hair is washed. The video will be linked down below. I wash it with Texture ID. I really do love that product. I also have been running out of leave-in. So the leave-in in my hair is from Baskin and Bloom. I love their products as well. As you guys can see, I washed my hair like last night, but last night is not last night for y'all, but it was last night for me. I'm going to be using this. I've never used any of Jane Carter Solution Love Your Hair products. I don't even know if they had a shampoo or conditioner for this. I didn't look. I was just looking for this. Well, I was just looking for a different kind of mousse, because you guys know the Texture ID mousse I use, but I only have one, and I was like, oh well, let me try another style. So I'm gonna be doing a roller set. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna be doing a roller set. I've never done one ever. So I'm going to be doing a roller set. Let's get this open. Oh, let me show you the rollers that I'm going to be using. I got these rollers from my local beauty supply. They were $1. Balling on a budget. Also, in my last video, I talked about Forex. There is no longer a 164 deal. The deal is now gone. So if you wanted to get in, it is now $225. I had a bunch of DMs about what I do or how I do it or how. And you guys, it's really simple. Copy, paste, profit. And that's all I really do. I actually started to really learn how to read the charts. I'm actually studying a pair. So, you know, if you don't have a lot of free time, copy, paste, profit. It's as simple as that. But if you do have free time like myself, you have time to actually learn from your mentors and learn from the people around you and get on calls and just understand it better. But remember to just keep hitting me up about it, keep asking about it, and come join the team. Come join the money team. Come join the money team. Come join the money team. That's all I can say. Just come join the money team. If you want more explanation, hit my DMs, okay? Message me, inbox me, email me. I respond to everybody, okay? Okay. There's 3 packs of 8, so but yeah. So there we go. You see the extra little pieces. Give me that one. That one in your hand. Thank you. So, here we go. We're not going to put a lot. We're only going to put a little. That totally might be more than that. I'm actually kind of nervous. Watch me come out looking like Shirley Temple. Watch. It always happens. I'm gonna have to find some cute way to make me not look like freaking Shirley Temple. I don't know how I feel about this mousse though. I don't know how I feel about it. Y'all see how the struggle? Alright, I'm just gonna move on. It's not tangled, so that's all that matters. It's supposed to be. I like stuff that's moisturizing, so. I don't know how the hell this works. I think you just put it on, right? Ouch! Shit got stuck in my hand. Alright, here we go. Alright. Ouch. Right? Alright. This spot is alright. Alright then.
It's dead now.
Okay.
Who took it out the charger?
You did.
Huh?
You didn't put it on the charger.
Who took it off the
You did when you used it yesterday.
Could I?
I don't know.
Man. I'm just going to play up.
Good morning, you guys. It's Friday. I decided to just take my hair out because it is hard to sleep with these darn on things in. So I'm gonna have this kaleidoscope edge control and this. I'm gonna be using this oil to separate my hair and then fluffing, okay? So before we get started, I already know what I'm gonna look like. I feel like my hair like this never comes out like I see other people and I be like, I wish my hair come out like that. I'm gonna look like freaking Shirley Temple, okay? But we just gonna get started because I'm not sleeping another night and I'm not going up to my daughter's school like this no more. I know them people was looking at me like I was crazy. Look at my end. Curl still. Ain't that something? I just can't catch a break. And these things hurt. I see why they went out of stock. Like if your hair not right, it's gonna get stuck and it hurts. Pulling my damn hair out.
Stop Hey guys, maybe we should stop playing around and figure out how to get home.
So I am probably gonna adjust a little bit more, but for the most part, I am done. The girl is cute. I mean, yes, good. The girl is cute. I don't look like Shirley Temple. I see why those things went out of style. They pull at your hair a lot, especially if you don't put them on right. They pull, so I see why a lot of people do not use them. But the curls come out cute and a little stretched out, so your hair is not like not like the flexi rods where you know you're struggling to get some length. I was gonna fluff, but I think I missed a couple pieces in the back. So let me see. I don't really need too much fluff. It's already fluffy, and these type of styles don't last longer than 1 or 2 days. The curls be falling, or like when you go to sleep, they be flat. So yeah, okay, let me show you guys. So yeah, that is all for this video. Remember to give it a thumbs up. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and drop comments on where you think my backdrop is from. Remember, I am doing a giveaway, so just drop as many comments as you can so you can get noticed. And that is all. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next hair update video.